और इस वक्त मुशीर ख़ज़ाना डॉक्टर अब्दुल हफीज शेख तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Putting their hand in your pocket, and I think you will begin to feel very comfortable doing business and benefiting from the tremendous opportunities that are here in virtually any sector of the economy. So we welcome you. The last thing I want to say is that this meeting is timely. The topic is very important and very interesting, and the right set of people are here. But I'll be honest that sometimes I find that these meetings with all the potential do not fulfill that, because the structure of the meetings might sometimes be too rigid, and people are subjected to boring speeches all day and then they eat dinner and go away. Okay, and maybe do a little bit of shopping, which I hope you will, because the economy needs for you to shop. But my humble suggestion is try not to just have speeches but allow time for interaction. Okay, if you already fixed the time for speeches, only try to adjust it even now, so everybody can participate. The idea is to share experiences, not listen to 6 speeches. Okay, so this is my one humble suggestion. The second is, let's try not to read all speeches from World Bank, ADB, hard disk, okay, and repeat the same things over and over and bore everyone to death. Let's try and be practical. Let's try in plain English to see exactly how should markets be regulated and what really are the simple lessons that are replicable, that can be shared and that can easily be duplicated. Okay, so because the idea is to benefit from best practice, whether it is having a transparent system, whether it's having a good regulatory environment, whether it's having a good legal framework, whether it is having mechanisms for appropriate safeguards. All these things have been done by some people much better than others. So let us try and find on each of these who is doing a better job and how it can be transformed into local scenarios. So with that, good luck to you. I would very much look forward to receiving at the end of the day or whenever it's appropriate the findings and the good ideas and whatever it is that we can benefit for our country so that we can begin to implement some of those. Thank you very much.